Good morning.
Nine.
Very good. What are these? These are
Teacher.
alphabets.
Alphabet.
Very good. A for apple. A for
apple.
B for ball.
A for cat.
B for ball.
A for ball.
C for cat.
A for cat.
D for dog.
Dog.
E for egg.
E for
F for fish.
L for fish.
Fish. G for grapes. G for grapes.
Egg.
G for grapes. H for hat.
For hand.
H for hand. Okay, good. I for ice cream.